Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'll be talking to you about one of the biggest psychological mistakes that we make as forex traders that destroy our trades and our trading accounts. And that is the fact that you lose when you focus on trying not to lose. In forex trading, the more you focus on trying not to lose is the more you lose. Forex trading is a purely psychological business, and before you could get around it or master it very well, you should be a master of your own emotion and your own psychology. It's usually easy to start forex trading with the thought of trying to learn a strategy or trying to learn how to trade, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. In fact, you can't even master your psychology in trading if you have not mastered the strategy. That's the art of trading. You should have a trading strategy first, and then after mastering how to trade or getting a trading strategy that you think is working, you now try to take trades, but you find it very, very difficult because of the emotional and the psychological mistake that you keep making. And this is simply because when it comes to trading or forex, when you are paper trading, that's demo trading, you find out that you don't have any emotional or psychological attachment to the trade, and you can place any trade and allow it to run as it's supposed to. But whenever you fund a live account and then your money is now involved and you have something to lose, your psychology and your emotion are activated. And once they're activated, they now become even the main deciding factor of what or how you take your trade. And then when you now try as much as possible not to lose that money, you find yourself going off track from whatever your trading plan or idea were. And that is why you find ourselves, whenever we're paper trading, we do excellently. Whenever we're doing the live trading, we tend to be fumbling, or the strategy seems not to be working. I had a friend that once told me that his brokers seem to know when he puts money into his trading account, that his trade will be going well when he's trading the demo account. Whenever he puts money into his live account, the trade will start going haywire. But I was asking him, does the charts change when you fund or you put a live account? You find that the chart doesn't really change. It's still the same chart that you're trading. It's still the same market. Everything was still the same thing. But it's just that the difference was just your psychology and the emotion that got involved when you now have something to lose in that trade. There are three major ways you find out if you actually focus on trying not to lose rather than focusing on trading the right thing. Number one way is through wrong SL placement. At times we will know where the SL placement is or is meant to be, but because you are focused on the money and you're focused on not losing more than a particular amount, you place the SL at the wrong place. For instance, if the SL is supposed to be like 10 pips, you went and placed it at 5 pips or 7 pips, or focusing on trying not to lose. And at times the market will, majority of the time, come back to that your SL and not violating the right SL placement if you are placed at the right place, and then going in your direction eventually. So whenever you start placing SL wrongly, that's one of the signs that you are focused on trying not to lose instead of focusing on trading the right way. Another way that you will know that you are focusing on trying not to lose is fast break even before the right time to break even. Every trader or every professional trader should know the right time to break even on their trade, or when their strategy has given them the go ahead to break even. But most of the time, when you're focused on trying not to lose, you become afraid when the trade is running, and then your trade has not fully confirmed to you to break even, or has not really given you the go ahead to break even, but it just goes in your favor a little, and you break even to save yourself from any eventual loss. And guess what? Eventually, the market comes and take you out break even. The third sign that you focus on trying not to lose is ignoring your take profit points. Most times, you see traders, when the trade starts running, out of fear of losing the profit that they've already made, they know that the trade has the potential to get to a particular take profit point that they planned during their trading and analysis. But because of fear of losing that small profit that they made already, they will eventually cut their profit short and close the trade even while the trade was still running in profit, and there was absolutely no sign or any sign of the market going against them yet. But just because of fear of losing what they have made and focusing on trying not to lose it, they now close the trade earlier than they are meant to. At times it works on the flip side, because they are focused on the loss that they've made before. They allow the trade to run beyond the take profit point that they know that the market was supposed to get to before a pullback or a reversal could happen. So as much as possible, you have to balance your psychology and your emotion and try as much as possible to detach yourself from the outcome of the result, so that you're not focused on trying not to lose, instead of focus on doing exactly the right thing that you're meant to do, so you can follow your trading plan strictly. And this is one of the sure ways to being a profitable trader. All right, and that's how we come to the end of today's video, and I hope you've gotten value from this video. If you have, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. If you subscribe, we'll be encouraged to do more of it. So I would truly appreciate if you subscribe to this channel and like this video. Until we come your way again next time, remain blessed and see you.